What's up? My name's Ciara and this is Color Me Beautiful, and today I thought we could do a kind of more personal video, kind of a get to know me kind of video / get ready with me, because it's about 9 o'clock in the morning and I know that that's late for some people, but it's early. It's still considered early for me. I just rolled out of bed. I've been up for about an hour, so let's get ready. And while I'm getting ready, I thought that we could do some kind of fun facts about me. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so and I didn't do my hair yet. This is just my natural hair. So I'm gonna pull that out of the way and tuck it. There we go. And I was sick last week, so I'm still trying to get over that grossness. So if I'm coughing, I'm sorry. Now, I'm just using concealer today. I'm not really getting ready for like anything big. I'm just cleaning my house today, so I'm just kind of dabbing some concealer on my face. So the first fact about me is I'm a major nerd. I haven't really talked about it much in my videos, but I love all things Marvel, Star Wars, DC, Lord of the Rings, all that stuff. So if you like that stuff and you want to see more stuff like that in my videos, then comment down below. I would love to hear feedback about what to do in my videos. I'm actually going to go see Endgame in one of the Korean theaters here. It's called CGV. It's really popular here in Korea. And yes, it is in English. All the Americanized movies are in English and they have Korean subtitles, so that's good. But that actually comes out 2 days earlier than the States. It comes out on Wednesday, so I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna go see it with my husband, who is also really excited. And yeah, we're gonna go see that. And I guess the second fact about me is I can't talk and multitask at the same time. Like if I'm focused on something, then I can't talk, like have a conversation with somebody, or else I get off track. And one big example is whenever me and my husband go out to eat or go on a dinner date, like I'm either eating or I'm talking. Like I can't do both, and he gets on to me about it all the time. So if I pause, that's why. Something else is I'm not very good at public speaking. I have really high anxiety when it comes to public speaking, and that's one of the reasons I started YouTube, was to get over my fear of public speaking, because even though I'm just talking to a camera, I'm actually talking to you guys, and you know, it's just one of the things that I've struggled with my whole life, and I know for a fact that I am not alone when it comes to this. I really appreciate all the positive comments that I get on social media and different places that are really encouraging to me, so thank you guys. Now I'm just going to be filling in my eyebrows. And I don't have a spoolie at the moment, So I just use a comb. It's a little bit LB, but it's all good. Work with what you got. And one of the hobbies that I've actually mentioned in one of my videos before is I love to dance. I took dance classes whenever I was little. And when I say little, I mean like probably 5 to the age of like 10, 11. And, you know, I loved it. Now, I just kind of dance for fun. I've been thinking about making videos about dancing. So again, if you want to see stuff like that, please let me know because I love to hear feedback. I also love dance in the form of worship. And it's a very intimate thing, dance is. And I guess that leads to my last topic, and that is, if you don't already know, I am a Christian. And as Toby Mac says, I am definitely a Jesus freak. I love Jesus with all my heart, and I'm not afraid to say it. He is my savior, and I love him very much for that. We just had Easter, so, and Easter is actually a very important time for me because last Easter I actually got baptized. For the second time, I was baptized as a kid, but this time I actually, you know, made a life-changing decision. I've struggled with depression and anxiety and self-confidence, just everything. And he's set me free from that. I have put him in my heart to stay, and he will never go away. I have wanted to share my faith on my channel more, but I also struggle with ideas on how to share my faith on YouTube. Like I said before, I struggle a lot with public speaking. I was a youth pastor before we moved here to Korea. I've worked with the youth, I've worked with kids. I've always loved kids and youth, and I was really blessed to have the opportunity to, you know, speak to them about, you know, Jesus and everything. And another thing about being a Christian is I am a strong believer in loving people. And I know that that's kind of stereotypical, but one of the things that I try to do is, well, one of the things that Jesus did for me is, and he still does it for me, he loves me without fault. He loves me when I fail him again and again and again. He loves me when I don't want to spend time with him. And really, you know, people forget to realize that it's all about the relationship. It's not religion. And I love the Lauren Daigle song, Losing My Religion. That's a really good song. It kind of speaks about you know, what I just talked about, loving people and not really worrying about being perfect. And as a Christian, that's the kind of person that I long to be. And really, I'm not perfect, so the days that I mess up, I kind of give myself a hard time. I often forget that I don't need to be perfect. And, you know, the daily struggle of doing everything and, you know, living to your fullest and, you know, living with anxiety, that's one of the things that I struggle with most, because the devil just kind of sneaks in and, you know, kind of distracts me from what I need to do. Or, yeah, you don't need to be perfect, but no, you know, oh, you messed up, oh, you did this wrong, and that's a constant struggle for me. But yeah, back to this blush. Oh my gosh. You guys, the struggle is real, let me tell you. You're watching firsthand that I struggle with this, like, all the time. I can't talk and do makeup at the same time. Oh my goodness. Now for lips, where is my lip gloss? I'll be right back. And back to working with the youth for a minute. I know that's kind of off topic, but the next season for me, I don't know when it'll be, but I know for a fact the next season for me working with youth is most definitely going to be motherhood. Because I feel like that's kind of where God is turning me. Like, He's given me the knowledge and the experience working with youth, like of all ages, to kind of train me for motherhood. And now this is a video for another day, but God has given me multiple visions, as you saw in my last video. And whenever I was 16, little sneak peek, God gave me the vision of me having a son. And so I know for a fact that I'm going to be having a son, but I don't know when that's going to be. So that's the glorious thing about God, is He gives you little bits and pieces, but He holds the whole plan in His hands. So I am patiently waiting on when that day will come. I'm gonna go ahead and take down my hair. And for now, I mean, it's kind of meh. I'll go ahead and give it a brush. Get all the tangles out. And really, I mean, I think it's a ponytail kind of day. Okay guys, here is the final look, and I really enjoyed this time talking with you guys and kind of sharing stuff about me. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you really liked it, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Love.